And the darkness that you fear will disappear. And the darkness that you fear will disappear. And the darkness that you fear will disappear. And the darkness that you fear will disappear.
Hello everyone and welcome. What we can't complain about today is the weather. Absolutely perfect playing conditions. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player Stuart Robson. And with the atmosphere really building up nicely, the referee spotted the infringement, and it will be a free kick in a position of genuine menace. Oh, that's a great piece of goalkeeping. It wasn't a bad free kick either. Lovely first touch. Oh, big chance. And getting across to stop it. Cross fired over. But goalkeeper's ball. Disappointingly for them. An unforced error, you've got to say. He made it look simple, really. Well, Mo Salah knows how to light up any game, I think it's fair to say, Stuart.
Well, Derek, he's the perfect finisher. He's got a great shot on him, his movement is excellent, and in 1v1 situations, you always expect him to score.
Son, and now having a go. Well, decent effort, but not troubling the keeper too much. And now they have the ball back. Werner. Well read to put an end to that attack. Chong has it. Now what can they do from here? Son. Must take the lead here. Well, last gasp defending, but brilliant defending. Reguilon. And Rashford. Chance to play it in. Son. They do pass the ball with authority. Rashford. And return to De Bruyne. Keeping it moving dynamically. Reguilon. De Bruyne. Could be dangerous. De Bruyne. Verratti now. Oh, he's really opened them up here. And a goal to open the scoring. No wonder they're celebrating.
Well, this is a very tidy finish, as you can see. He's under so much pressure, but his strength just allows him to hit through the ball cleanly. It's an excellent goal.
1-0 then. Moving the ball forward with purpose. And it crossed the touchline, so a throw in here. And teammates to play it to. Let's fly here. Oh, he's only gone and found the net. What purity of hit. Caught it absolutely perfectly. So in business once more on the back of that very important equaliser. 1-1. Verratti. Messi. Poor pass. Salah. in a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. Might jump in front. No way through.
Well, as you can hear, the fans think that should have been a penalty, but I'm not convinced.
Timo Werner. Tremendous ball played through. Well, he had a lot of ground to cover. Splendid save. And there's the delivery. And clearing it away. Rashford. And a strong tackle. Reguilon. Rudiger. Rashford. I must say, this looks promising. Oh, from miles out, he's done it! How about that for a pure strike? Terrific technique. Wondrous. So there we have it, 2-1. Good technique displayed. They just couldn't stay in front. And now this match is all square.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And he makes no mistake with the finish. He showed a lot of composure there.
Well, it has taken a Herculean effort for them to get back to level pegging under these trying circumstances. Well, the attack looks promising. And he'll take efforts like that all day long. Well, Liquid Football couldn't hang on to it. On and on he goes. Well, they couldn't take advantage of the opportunity. Messi. Rudiger. If you're wondering about stoppage time, 1 minute to be added on. Verratti. Oh, what an opportunity. And the managers will now deliver. The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half. Mane. He succeeds in clearing it. Well, he's beaten his man comprehensively. Superb block. It did look on for them, but not to be. Kevin De Bruyne. Now Mo Salah. Kevin De Bruyne. Keeping it moving dynamically. Well, they couldn't keep that sequence going, unfortunately. Bodies forward and the break looks on. Well, not to be in terms of the counter-attack. Well, Sadio Mane can help the attack in so many different ways and really contributing in this game, Stuart.
Well, they weren't at their best, but with that equaliser, you can see why he's so important to this team. Hopefully they can get more of the ball to him in the second half so he can show us his ability.
Rashford. Now the attack fizzled out. Delightful pass. Mane. Could go ahead. He's foiled them on his own. Room now out on the flank. Salah. And the keeper throws himself at the ball.
Well, they haven't created too much lately, but the fans know this is a chance to take the lead here.
And De Bruyne firing it over. A deft clearance. Rudiger. Well, possibilities in the centre. De Bruyne. Well, the timing was perfect. Ball one. He's in behind. Not a fantastic piece of defending, was it? Terrific save.
Well, those stats tell you what a good game this has been. We've seen a lot of good attacking play, plenty of goal-mouth action, and all done at a height.
Oh, my goodness, what a strike! From so far out, absolutely sensational! Unstoppable!
Well, look at the replay here, because they don't come much better than this. He hits it so sweetly. What a goal this is.
Well, neutrals are getting their money's worth. 3-2 in this match. And attacking possibilities here for liquid football. Messi. This could level it. And he thwarted the... After the foul, a chance to contemplate what is next. And perhaps a goal from this free kick. Goalkeeper doing his job, getting the touch. Corner awarded. No trouble at all as far as the keeper was concerned. Rashford. Son. Werner with it now. Joao Cancelo. "20 minutes remaining. Salah. Alert defending. Can they hit on the break? And it looked like open road for them, but up a dead end. Big chance to get them on terms. He's scored once already and close to making it a double.
Well, every time he gets on the ball, he looks a real danger today.
That's a useful cross. Still not clear. And into the clutches of the goalkeeper. And into the last 15 minutes of action. And unable to hang on to the ball. That's good pressing for you. Time for a change then.
Number 10, Marcus Rashford.
As clean as a whistle, that challenge.
Jordan Graham.
It's a good-looking ball in behind. And a really fine piece of goalkeeping.
Well, I'm not sure that was the right decision. Easy save in the end.
Son. Textbook defending inside the box. Well, getting it forward, but they need an equaliser. Read it magnificently and intercepted. Throw-ins given. Joao Cancelo. Here is Zuma. Reguilon. De Bruyne now. On the offensive. Oh, it's off the woodwork.
Well, what a good effort that was. He didn't have much to aim for, did he? So unlucky, really.
And a substitution in the offing. Messi. This could square the game, but no, thanks to the goalkeeper, opportunity not taken.
Well, you're absolutely right, Derek. The keeper's done really well there, but really that should have been the equaliser, and there's not long left now.
Onto the pitch, number 5, Achraf.
No end product. Breaking at pace. Perfectly positioned to take it away. They are making headway, but really they need a goal with top... Well, it's the late show, and they are level again. Well, if you enjoy high-scoring contests, this has been the game for you. And the electronic board delivers the news. 2 minutes of stoppage time. And he read it well, intercepting it. Level pegging, but can they change that? Body in the way. Well, that's it for the 90 minutes, but this is not over. So away they go again, the first period of extra time, and it's legitimate to ask to what extent mental strength will come into this. Looking forward to it. Rudiger. Now with Hakimi. Kevin De Bruyne. Well, there to intercept. Son. Well, nicely cut out. Now what can they do with the ball? Conte. Definitely look as though they want to make this move count. Mane. In it goes! He's made it a brace for himself. No stopping him, apparently. Well, how about this? 4-3. Son. On to Morata.
Well, there it is. The away side haven't had as much of the ball, but when they have had it, they've looked so dangerous, particularly when they press high up the field, win the ball back in those areas, and then counter-attack quickly.
And the throw-in forthcoming. And the quality of pass needs to be a bit better. Hakimi. Is it going to end up being productive for them? Well, they want that equaliser, but the passing remains smooth. Well, diving magnificently to make sure he got there. Now they're going to alter things. Here's the substitution. Who's going to get on the end of it? Well, they haven't overcome all the difficulties. De Bruyne. So at the halfway stage in extra time, and 15 more minutes left. Well, underway again, the second period of extra time. Who's going to prevail here? Mane. Conte has it. Superb defensive judgment to end the attack. Could be a chance to break here. How can he take them on and beat them? But a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. Careless in possession. Well, time is against them. They have work to do. He'll be delighted to have won the ball, having made that difficult challenge. Well, not the pass he had in mind. Couldn't keep the ball. Dangerous looking through ball. And caught by the keeper.
Well, the fans are driving their team on here, but can they respond with a goal? Time is running out.
Excellent defending. Time is fast running out. 5 minutes left in the second period of extra time here. Well, cleared away, but at the expense of a corner. Keen to take it short here. Gattuso. It's Kimpembe now. Sanchez. And now they have the ball back. And breaking at pace with menace. Well, that break looked so promising, but nothing coming from it. And we will have just one additional minute. Oh, lovely incisive pass. And now waiting to pounce. Surely. And he's only gone and made it a hat-trick. Absolutely unplayable today. What a performance.
Goal for Liquid Football.
And so the final whistle here. The visitors.
It's a shame that I love you and you don't feel the way I do. Who's to blame? Well, Cupid is before his arrow disappears. Is it too much to ask not to be left in the dark? Staring out the window, crying, waiting for you to come back. Climbing up the trees where I've been, losing my.
And a warm welcome on what is an ideal night for football, you've got to say. My name is Derek Ray, positioned here on the commentary gantry, and sitting next to me, ready to give you all the analysis, is Stuart Robson. And with kick-off just moments away, we really should be in for a magnificent occasion. Stuart, your expectations?
Well, Derek, as is always the case, the team that dominates midfield will be the team that controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
Showing ambition to shoot from there. Goalkeeper has it. This is the lineup for the home team. Hugo Lloris is the goalkeeper. Kurt Zouma plays with
Hold
Antonio.
on, Derek, chance here.
Just couldn't get it through. Well read to win possession back. Verratti. And diving to thwart him. And now the delivery. Last man back and job done. And a really single-minded piece of defending to make sure nothing untoward happened. Son. He's given us away. And Messi carries it forward. What's he going to do from this position? Salah. De Bruyne now. Marcus Rashford. A truly magnificent start. An early goal in the game. Just what they were hoping to produce. Well, back underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens next. Well, he'd be disappointed if he didn't take that one cleanly. Tremendous intuition to win it back. And they continue to advance, and a lot of options here. Clear foul play, and as a result, a free kick forthcoming. Oh, magnificent from the keeper. Fantastic stop. Messi. David. Possession one. Poor pass under no real pressure. Reguilon. Well, no luck keeping possession. Oh, lovely ball. Might be a chance here. And the ball is loose. And a goal it is. But in all honesty, the keeper should have done much, much better.
Well, here's the replay. Yes, it's a decent shot, but the goalkeeper has to do a lot better there. He's parried it out into a dangerous area, and suddenly the ball's in the back of his net. It's poor goalkeeping, you have to say.
So underway again here on the back of that leveller. Possession changes hands, the interception there. Well, a bit more in the way of precision was required. Messi. Verratti. Showing a lot of guile there. Can he finish? Just made sure nothing came of that. Will this corner bear fruit for them? N'Golo Kanté. Just cutting off the supply. In behind for him to chase. The keeper was never likely to be in trouble then. Mane. Still passing it around with authority. And a goal! There he is at the double. They just can't subdue him.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace on the counter-attack. They were so quick to break out from their defensive positions, and then what a finish. That's been hit with such power and pace. The keeper has no time to react. It's a brilliant strike.
Son. Rashford couldn't keep it.
As you can see, the visitors have had much less of the ball, but when they have won it back in midfield areas, their counter-attacking has been excellent. They'll be happy with the way the game's going at the moment.
Over the touchline for a throw-in. Losing possession a bit easily. And Mohamed Salah now. Well, fantastic reflex action. Messi. Great strong tackle, throw in forthcoming. Kanté. Verratti. Can he do it? Well, it's ended up being, quite frankly, easy for the keeper.
Well, he should be hitting the back of the net. That's a poor effort. Well, I don't think they've been at it today, but maybe, just maybe, that great save will inspire them now.
And the flag does go up, offside. It's a weighted pass. And just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages. Joao Cancelo. Well, chasing this game, but the corner might help them.
Well, the crowd are doing their bit. Can they find the equaliser here?
Kevin De Bruyne with the corner. It hasn't come to very much. Oh, good reflexes from the keeper and the danger averted. And De Bruyne firing it over. And the whistle is sounded for half-time. So into the second half, Liquid football with the advantage, but there might still be a few twists and turns before this game is over. Now they're on the scent of something positive, and credit is due for that good piece of defending. And that is going to be a free kick. Oh, he couldn't outwit the keeper. Trying to deliver it accurately. Oh, just wide of the mark. Goal kick.
Well, that never looked like troubling the keeper, did it? But it was worth an effort. A good strike from him.
Kevin De Bruyne. Well, the attack looks promising. And they'll get ready for the throw-in. This man will get most of the plaudits for his contribution up to this point, Stuart.
Oh, Derek, big chance here.
And top-notch as well as brave goalkeeping.
Well, he comes off his line at just the right time. He read that brilliantly.
Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? Well, not precise enough with that attempt at finishing. Renato Sanchez. Mane. Gennaro Gattuso. Mane. Mane! And a goal to increase their advantage to 2 overall. That little bit of a cushion. Now it's all about keeping the concentration.
Sadio Mane.
So back underway at 3-1. Marcus Rashford. Tremendous challenge. Mane. Well, visionary passing. He's in behind the defence here. Terrific save. And so 30 minutes left for play in this one. And an astute piece of defending. Wonderful vision from Lionel Messi. Not going to get away with that because it's offside here.
And he shouldn't be offside there. He's gone too early. And that's a waste of a great opportunity.
Son. Regained possession. A real opening now. And running in behind. And a fine stop to turn the ball away. Son. Oh, splendid skill. Chance to make a game of it here. The referee has given a corner.
Well, these fans can sense an opportunity here. They need to make the most of this corner.
Put in by De Bruyne. Foiling them effectively. Werner. Zuma. A very good tackle. Rashford! Well, a bit more in the way of precision was required. Referees are rightly praised for giving advantage, but when there is no advantage, it has to be a free kick. Well, no card. Couldn't quite finish.
Well, if they can just get one, it will certainly make it interesting.
Gennaro Gattuso.
Please go to the ticket office to meet Nathan. Thank you.
20 minutes remaining. Well, a decent idea, but just slightly overcooked. Joao Cancelo. And winning it back. Well, Liquid Football couldn't hang on to it. The referee correctly decided to play advantage. And he was very keen to give them the advantage, but instead it will be a free kick now.
Off the pitch, number 2, Ragulian, and number 22, Joao Cancelo, to be replaced by number 16, Raheem Sterling, and number 5, Achraf Hakimi.
Well, not one, Stuart, that's going to live long in the memory.
Well, I think the manager might disagree, Derek. Any way you cut it, it's a wasted opportunity.
Gennaro Gattuso. Almost at full time, and I'll tell you what, playing away from their home patch has been a pleasant experience for them, Stuart.
Yeah, this has been a good performance. They've looked really sharp going forward, and they've shown a lot of energy. They'll certainly be pleased with their overall display up to now.
Spot on with that tackle. Now can they counter clinically? All hands on deck. You'll be hard-pressed to find a better save than that. Lloris. Playing it in. And a goal to put the final stamp on it. That will do it.
Well, here it is again. It's a well-delivered ball into the box, but I don't think the keeper should be beaten at his near post quite so easily. I thought that was stoppable.
Goals in plentiful supply. 4-1 currently. Well, that's a foul, and it will be a potentially dangerous free kick. Well, he didn't miss by much. Fantastic effort, especially from that sort of range.
Well, it really is a good effort. He's got such good technique. That was a great strike.
To be replaced by
They've decided that now is the time to go to the bench. Renato Sanchez. Now, what can Lionel Messi do? You'll be hard-pressed to find a better save than that. Lloris. Messi with the corner. No trouble at all as far as the keeper was concerned. Chong. You'll take this on. And not cleared away properly. And problem solved for now. Mane. Oh, a perfectly timed pass. He's in behind the defence here. And the keeper more than equal to it. De Bruyne. Marcus Rashford. Well, 3 minutes of stoppage time added on here. And dispossessed. And the referee takes exception to the challenge. Free kick. Son with the pass, but not what he had in mind. What a save! Fired over by Messi. And so the final whistle here. The visitors come out on top, Stuart.
Well, Derek, what a good performance that was. They did most things right, and their attacking play was inventive and had a real cutting edge. That was a really dominant display from them today.
De Bruyne now. Marcus Rashford. A truly... And a warm welcome on what is an ideal night for football, you've got to say. I'm Derek Ray, and delighted to have Stuart Robson sharing commentary duties with me. And the general feeling is we should be in for a spellbinding occasion. Stuart, what are you expecting?
Well, Derek, we can talk about coaches and their methods, but it's now down to the players.
He's in with a chance. Oh, it was there for him to take the chance. This is how it looks for the home side. Thibaut Courtois is in goal. Joao Cancelo starts with Reguilon in the fullback positions. Marcus Rashford starts with Kevin De Bruyne in the centre of midfield. And Timo Werner starts alongside Heung-min Son. Joao Cancelo. Son. Well, they no longer have the ball. And no problems whatsoever for the goalkeeper. Here's how liquid football will begin the game. Gianluigi Donnarumma begins in goal. Carlos Alberto starts alongside Marquinhos in central defence. Gennaro Gattuso starts with N'Golo Kanté in the centre of the park. And the front pair, Sadio Mane, plays with Lionel Messi. After the foul, a chance to contemplate what is next, and perhaps a goal from this free kick. And that is a free kick artist at work. What a goal it was!
Well, what a beautiful free kick this is, Derek. He knew exactly where he wanted to put it, and just look at the fly to the ball. It's so flat, barely any deviation on it at all. Fantastic free kick.
So the ball rolling again, with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Went in strongly, decisively. Son. Well, they couldn't keep it. Going about his defensive business with a minimum of fuss. Salah. Plenty of options. Very quick thinking there. Nicely cut out. Joao Cancelo. Kurt Zouma. Reguilon. And Rashford. De Bruyne. And an astute piece of defending. Defensive efficiency personified. Messi. Oh, fancy footwork. Well, a very easy offside decision to make. Kevin De Bruyne. Son. Well, that's not watertight defending. And pushed onto the woodwork. Kevin De Bruyne with the corner. It hasn't come to very much. And the right place to cut out the pass.
Well, there it is. The away side haven't had as much of the ball, but their attacking play has been really incisive. It's been a really good display from them so far.
Rashford. Let's fly here! Well, the goalkeeper's life wasn't made quite as difficult as might have been the case. Mane. Good pressure. Can they make something of this? Well, that's a well-timed pass. Oh, a superb save. That's an effective cross aimed at the back post. And the counter-attack is on. Options available. They need to get bodies back. It's a perfect challenge. And brave goalkeeping to deal with the danger.
Well, he had to get that right, didn't he? That's good goalkeeping.
Given away by Verratti. Son. Well, he was in the right place to intercept. Oh, splendid skill. In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. Skipping away. Messi. Could be. Oh, a good diving save. Messi with the corner. Outrageously good piece of defending on the line. And the goalkeeper will claim it. Rashford. Now Mo Salah. So 1 minute of stoppage time. That's what the officials have said. Still behind, but the pressure mounting. And they've done it to square the game once again. Exhilarating.
Well, here it is again, and the defending simply isn't good enough. They have to react quicker, deal with the danger, and show more urgency, none of which they did, and that's the result.
And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. The teams are ready to have a go at each other again as the second half commences. Rashford. Salah. De Bruyne now. This is Salah. Kevin De Bruyne. Careless in possession. Moving the ball forward with purpose. Son. Salah. Crossed in quickly. Making sure nothing came of it. He'll have a go here. Oh, good work to deny the opportunity.
Well, this is a big moment, and don't these fans know it?
Kevin De Bruyne with the corner. It didn't happen for them. Chong has it. Reguilon. De Bruyne. Nicely timed tackle. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break. All in all, a broken counter-attack. Making excellent progress with the ball at his feet. De Bruyne. It's with João Cancelo. De Bruyne. João Cancelo. Kurt Zouma. Excellent passing. Options in the middle. Kevin De Bruyne. Salah. Regained possession. He's in here. And it's in! They're back in front! Stunning scenes here! So back underway at 2-1. Tight contest here. Well, that is how to run at defenders. And a goal kick is the outcome. Chong. Marcus Rashford. Here's Rafa Suarez. Son. Well, that's how to break the spirit of the attacker. And he did well to cut it out. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. Well, it looked like open road for them, but up a dead end. Well, it was a foul, but good use of advantage by the referee. They've been getting two substitutes warmed up, and both will come on here.
And number 22, João Cancelo, to be replaced by number 16, Raheem Sterling, and number 5, Achraf.
He continues his run, and the cross goes in. Well, not the best clearance. And I think the threat has been averted. Salah. Hakimi. Chong. De Bruyne. Now what can they do from here? And let's give credit to the defending. This might be ideal for the counter. Oh, what an opportunity. Save, but still a chance. And doing all he can to grab his second of the game.
Well, he's been a real live wire today. A constant threat to this back line.
Well, successfully cut out. De Bruyne.
Well, the players should be inspired by this. The crowd have really got behind them today.
Oh, great vision. And a long way out here. Well, it smacks into the gloves of the goalkeeper. Son. Now what can they do from here? On the attack in the closing phase. And the keeper taking it cleanly. And we saw the situation developing. And they continue to advance. And well, he was eager to have a go, but it didn't work out for him. They've decided that now is the time to go to the bench. Oh, the keeper needed to do an awful lot better. Well, it looked so promising, but a goal kicked the outcome. Conte. And that pass could be troublesome. Well, he's been ruled to have taken up an illegal position. Only just, however, Stuart.
Well, he loves running off the back of defenders. But on this occasion, he's just gone a fraction too early.
What a shocking pass, really. Offside, close one. Hakimi. Well, that piece of play very easy on the eye. Werner. And that's very good refereeing to let the play flow. Simple for the keeper dealing with that long-range effort. And we will have a couple of additional minutes at the end here. Messi. Can he find the net? Superb block. And that is that. The referee blows his whistle for full time, and it...
By myself a two-seater. I pull on my lungs, I'm calling it low bonita. I was in the building with attitude, I'm the leader. I'm the type that people say, I hope I can meet her. I don't many about myself a two-seater. I pull on my lungs, I'm calling it low bonita. I was in the building with attitude, I'm the leader. I'm the type that people say, I hope I can meet her. But it pass me the first. Call me, see your friends and come to my concert. Honey, see me on the stage, I eat it like it's dessert. Met your man the other day, he was was a big mess, made a big mess like how my Ivorian. No stress, treated like test valedictorian. I don't do that, my name ain't Lucy Hun. If I'm a plum of mine, I'll make sure he a single one. The world, it chose you, live how you wanna, just
Hello everyone and welcome. What we can't complain about today is the weather. Absolutely perfect playing conditions. I'm Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me, ready to provide all the technical and tactical analysis, is Stuart Robson, and getting ready for a potentially thrilling contest. How do you see the match going, Stuart?
Well, Derek, we can talk about coaches and their methods, but it's now down to the players. Which ones are going to stand out, who will affect the game, and who will have the greater desire? It should be a cracking game, though.
Mane! And a goal! An early boost for them. The first goal of the game. They're off and running. One 0 then.
Ronaldo says Sadio Mane.
Salah. Oh, maybe the equaliser. Oh, there it is! A back and forth sort of match. Now they're level again. in business once more on the back of that very important equaliser. 1-1. Verratti. Chance to put them in front. Shot blocked, but still alive. Well, a classic example of how to intercept. And possession given away. Good looking ball. And denied by the post. And keeper's ball in the end.
Well, look at the relief out there. That looked a certain goal, didn't it?
De Bruyne. On the ball, Reguilón. And it's a quality pass. And a struggle to get it away properly. De Bruyne. Here is Zuma. De Bruyne. Now with Rashford. Possession changes hands, the interception there. Marcus Rashford. On the ball, Reguilón. Rashford. Aubameyang. Well, that's how to break the spirit of the attacker. And he could cash in. Oh, it looked as though he might be through. Not so. And top-notch as well as brave goalkeeping.
Well, he comes off his line at just the right time. He read that brilliantly.
Son. Rashford. And a long way out. Oh, keeper dealt with it. Kevin De Bruyne with the corner. Well, the corner too close to the goalkeeper that time. Gattuso. Now with Messi. Lionel Messi. Well, that's a well-timed pass. Well, it was a menacing attack, but tidied up. Joao Cancelo. Good ball to switch the play. Excellent use of the ball as they make their way forward. Terrific block. A fine reading of the situation. Opportunity it is. There it is. And he could scarcely have had an easier finish. So the ball is rolling again. 2-1 the scoreline. Good tackle. It'll be a throw. Well, getting very close to the half-time interval, and it's a narrow lead for the visitors to this point. Stuart, how would you assess what we've seen?
Well, it's been a good watch so far. Both sides have tried to play on the front foot, but they do look more threatening in the attacking areas. And in my view, they deserve to be in front.
Given away by Verratti. Reguilón. Playing with purpose and control. Kurt Zouma. De Bruyne now. Asking a lot to score from there. Goalkeeper's ball.
As you can see, the visitors have had much less of the ball, but when they have won it back in midfield areas, their counter-attacking has been excellent. They'll be happy with the way the game's going at the moment.
Intelligent threaded pass here. Well, nothing productive, really. And Aubameyang making the move with the ball at his feet. What's he going to do next? Kevin De Bruyne. Son. Will close down straight away. Let's fly here. That is that for the first half here. And away they go once more. Liquid football with the advantage here, but still with a bit of work to do. Gattuso. Conte. De Bruyne now. Salah. Superb block. And the counter-attack is on. Options available. Takes the shot. Corner kick awarded. And let's see if this will help them add to their lead. Giving it a try. It's in. They're looking really relaxed and confident. And not giving the opposition much of a look in.
Well, here you can see what a good goal this is. He hits it so cleanly and the keeper has no chance. That's a great strike.
Well, they've decided to make a change. So there it is, 3-1 the current scoreline here. Well, a good tackle. It's a good-looking ball in behind. Can he do it from miles out? Well... Well, he didn't miss. By all that much.
Well, he struck it quite nicely, but the keeper was always in control of the situation. He knew that was going wide.
Graham. Kurt Zouma. De Bruyne. Joao Cancelo. And Mohamed Salah now. Crisp tackling. Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? Couldn't grab hold of it. Well, it looked so threatening, but the danger averted. Son. Chance to run at them. But a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. And he's through here. And that's the hat-trick! Tearing apart this defence time and again. They simply can't handle him.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace in transition. They're so quick to get out from the back, and then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
Well, away they go once more, and liquid football sprinting away from their opponents. It's with Graham. Now the keeper grabs it. And taking it away. Renato Sanchez. Rashford. Rashford unable to hold it. It needs an accurate cross. Gives it a go. Able to get a body in the way. Rudiger. Son. And a strong tackle. 20 minutes to go in this one. He continues his run, but they took care of the situation defensively. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. Well, that break looked so promising, but nothing coming from it. Rashford unable to hold it. Oh, in with a chance. A goal! An exceptional performance this. 4 to the good now. Of goals, 5-1 it is. And into the last 15 minutes of action. Well, the chance looked to be on, but found himself offside. Almost at full time, and I'll tell you what, playing away from their home patch has been a pleasant experience for them, Stuart.
Well, the result has never really been in doubt, has it? They've created so many chances with some brilliant attack.
Bad challenge, and now it's up to the referee in terms of what to do next. And a yellow card it's going to be, Stuart. Well, if you've already received a yellow card, you surely want to stay away from that sort of challenge. Conte. Mane. Messi waiting to pounce. No two ways about it. A wild, wild attempt.
Well, it's so hard to get this right, and he just couldn't adjust his body quickly enough.
Rashford. Showing a lot of guile there. Really nice ball. And he might be in here. Oh, masterful defending to prevent what looked like a certain goal. Oh, terrific pass. And there it is, a goal. But will it be purely a consolation at this stage of the proceedings? They haven't been at their best. Well, at first glance, you would think a strong possibility of a red card. Let's see.
Well, the crowd are certainly not happy. Their team is being totally outplayed here. They're just being...
And just over the bar. Really good effort. Well, they've decided to make a change. It's with Graham. Joao Cancelo. Went in strongly, decisively. Well, the counter chance looks very real. Will it be sufficiently imaginative? Great reflex action.
Well, that should have been a goal. Mind you, it's a brilliant save.
Playing it short. Well, not the touch on the ball he wanted, and a goal kick to come. Sterling. And now passing it through. And there it is, the full-time whistle here, and it's a victory for the visitors.
Well, Derek, it was a very assured performance, wasn't it? Particularly impressed with their play going...
Mane! And a goal! An early boost for them. The first goal of the game. They're off and running.